Hi, this is Das from Das Tech. Today Apple released iPhone 16e version, and right today I'll talk about what iPhone actually released with that particular iPhone 16e. That means its specifications. Okay, so let us see what actually iPhone 16e gives you. Okay, so the main features are: it has 6.1-inch of screen, two-in-one camera, iOS 18, C1 cellular modem it has. It will protect your glass with ceramic shield. It has action button. It has Apple Intelligence and some IP68 water and dust resistant rating. Okay, so what is the C1 cellular chip? It is the latest cellular chip which will support much faster 5G in this particular iPhone model. Okay, so see in this particular chip, I suppose that it will support the 5.5G network which has been recently introduced in India by Reliance Jio. So this C1 chip most probably will be supporting that particular 5.5G, and I cannot guarantee whether this will support or not until unless I'll unbox it. Okay, so as per Apple's report, C1 chip is for much higher speed and better stability in 5G network. And until unless I'll physically experience, I don't say what exactly is C1 chip and how it is better than the other chips in the previously available Apple models. Now it will have the longer battery life, which will have 26 hours of video playback. And as per some report, it is having some 2789 milliampere hour of battery. That means the Apple is now report is now concentrating on its battery life, which was the weakest point of Apple. So it is good to see that Apple is now focusing on the battery life and battery capacity also. Okay, so with this particular bigger battery life, you can do much more things with a single charge. Now, if we talk about the charge of this particular iPhone model of iPhone 16e, it will have USB Type C port along with some magnetic charging, okay, MagSafe charging, both it will support. So it is good to see that a mid-range phone of uh, starting price of 59,900, almost 60,000 in India, these particular things are available in iPhone models. Okay. Now it will also support the Apple Intelligence, which now will support Indian English over here. Along with that, it will support some chat GPT, and along with that, it will support some visual intelligence. That means you will take the photo and you will you can see or search whatever the photo is, what the plant's photo you can check over there. And if you take a photo of a ceremony or like that, you can add that ceremony's date towards your calendar. Okay, so these things has been introduced in iOS 18.2, and as iOS 18 is supported by this particular iPhone model of iPhone 16e, so all these features are available, and it is good to see that Apple Intelligence has been introduced in this particular model, which is a mid-range model. Okay, so now it will have some action button also. That means with pressing this particular action button, you can access the recently used tools like torchlight, camera, or Apple Intelligence, or etc., which you have recently used, and you can access these particular tools by using or by pressing this single button, action button. Okay, and most importantly, it will have some 48 megapixel two-in-one fusion camera. That means it is just basically a wide lens camera which will be integrated with some telephoto lens. That means you don't require two lenses over here, and this twin 148 megapixel camera will have both the lenses of wide angle as well as the depth camera. Now it will have some important security feature is that it will support also face unlock. Before releasing, I was supposing that it will not having this face unlock facility, but after release, it has been stated that the face unlock facility is over here, and as it is supporting iOS 18, so face unlock is available, and good to see that this particular feature is available with the iPhone 16e newly launched one. Now it is having some IP68 water and dust protection rating, and you can use this particular phone in water and dust which has been rated in condition of IP68. Okay, so at a glance, Apple has released with the iPhone 16e, and these features are available with breakthrough battery, USB-C charging, C1 5G modem, satellite services, Apple Intelligence, face unlock, action button, two-in-one 48 megapixel fusion camera, face ID, ceramic shield, IP68, water and dust resistant, A18 chip, and 12 megapixel front camera also, which is having true depth. So these are the features will be available with iPhone 16e, which has been launched right today, and this will be available in India from pre-ordering from 6:30 p.m. IST on 21 February. That means just day after tomorrow, and will be available in stores from 28th of 8th of February, and its price ranges will be 59,900, and color available colors are white and black. I guess in 2-3 months they will give some other colors in this particular variant also. Okay, so the options of storage are available with 128 GB, whose price will be 59,900. For 256 GB it will be 69,900, and 512 GB 89,900. Okay, so these are the options for trading. And now let us see how much popular this particular iPhone will be in a mid-range section. And in the comment section, you let us know whether this phone you will going to purchase or not. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.